Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Health9, an online healthcare platform. In this video, we will discuss about Candid V6 tablet. We will also discuss vital elements like why it is used, how it works, its consumption and the side effects. Let me tell you a brief about the medication before starting the theory. Candid V6 tablet ER is an antifungal medication. It is used in the treatment of fungal infections of the vagina such as burning, itching and discharge. It kills fungi by destroying their cell membrane. Candid V6 salt composition is Clotrimazole 100 mg and the MRP of this medicine is 415 rupees per strip. Candid V6 tablet is usually used for fungal infections of vagina. Candid V6 tablet ER is an antifungal medication that treats vaginal infections. It works by killing the fungi inside the vaginal tract by destroying their cell membrane. This reduces the burning, itching and discharge that may occur within these infections. Some of the common side effects of this medicine include irritation and vaginal burning sensation. Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor or gynecologist. Wash and dry your vaginal area. Lie on your back and gently insert the tablet into the vagina as mentioned in the label. The best time to use it is just before bedtime. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician. Health9 doesn't recommend or suggest this medicine. The video is purely for informational purposes only.